talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Talkie app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then when you click here in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you come here to autoplay opinion message. Then you click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean autoplay opinion message disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.